Alright guys, this is going to be the unboxing video for our sump system. As you can see, as I'm unpacking it after the FedEx driver dropped it off to us. I had to do it out in my garage, but at the same time unboxing it, he had to verify that the package was delivered, safely and undamaged and everything before I could sign for it. And you can see me here as we're inspecting it. There was a spot on it that kind of peeked through. It looked like maybe a fork on a forklift or something kind of punched through. But as you can tell, we were pulling out the Metallo pads to check inside the sump, make sure nothing cracked or anything like that. And if you see on the outer side of the sump there, you can kind of see a light ding. But yeah, what we're looking at here is the Bashsea SS-60. It is 60 by 15 by 16, and there we are lifting it out. Just the driver wanted to make sure everything looked safe and clean and everything. He was actually also very interested in what we were doing with this big sump, so that was pretty cool that he was so interested in. We had to kind of tell him about the reef room down in the basement and everything that's going on down there. But he had us actually check it out, and I think Andy was actually asking us to pull the paper off here in a little bit just to inspect. There's the spot. So no damage, or it wasn't actually even scratched or anything, so it actually is totally okay. So the next clip that we'll be going into will be me.
All right, so we got it set in place. It's just sitting here for now. Packing kind of scared me there for a little bit when we saw with the driver. It was a little spot on it that it was over on this side here. Looked like a forklift kind of got into it right here, and it was actually really no damage at all. I think it just bumped the paper or something. So we was all good. But the actual packing of the shipping box was great. It was on a pallet, a nice crate and everything, and then Bashsea did a really good job of packing the foam around it and everything. Let's see. So those are the pipes that come down from the bulkheads that'll go into where the sock chamber is. Oh yeah, they gave me a free t-shirt, so that's pretty cool. Also the baffles, the adjustable baffles are nicely packed in bubble wrap. And let's see, just kind of looking through, I've got to get all this paper off. Very nice design. The cord management, let's see, that's for the probe holders. The dosing lines, if you want them here or here. And each chamber is adjustable. So the adjustable baffles will also go here and here. Now before the return chamber, which is right here, the chamber here, like I said, has the adjustable baffles. But the cool thing is they put this black Metallo kind of break up the micro bubbles, which is excellent. So that way, if you do have your issues with kind of fine tuning your skimmer, or just for some reason you are picking up micro bubbles in your sump, that Metallo chamber will actually break them up for you. And then they also have dosing mounts here, dosing tube mounts here, cord management. So they give you a lot of nice options with this sump, which is why we wanted to go with it. The lead time wasn't really that bad. And yeah, I mean, so far, happy with the unpacking and everything. So let me get this thing unwrapped, and we'll let you guys see what it looks like. All right, now we got it unwrapped and everything, and you guys can really take a good look at it. The baffles are all installed. Got the acrylic, they're actually blue acrylic thumb screws. You can still see the Bashsea logo. It's really nice. They do the laser etching on everything. You can see the signature series. I got the lid that goes over the socks. Me struggling to get it back on. The 1.5 inch drains. See the sock chamber. Everything looks like it's probably laser cut and laser etched and everything. The blue looks really good on the blue and black. Got the other baffle before it goes into the Matala chamber. And you see the Gen 2 insignia on it. Bashsea laser etched logo there. So everything looks really nice. Really impressed. And next steps, get the things finished, plumb it up, and we'll be back at it. You guys have a good one. Like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed.